Uno come, come me want to talk to uno. Uno listen to what me have to tell uno. Uno tell me if this no bad mind. If the people no bad mind if me little business. Yeah. Through me, me is the cream of the crop round here, so I may do so well. Yeah, them sister me cake them a sell off. And them bad mind me. So, what do you hear? Me tell the people them say, make sure one little cake for me bake. Yeah. I mean, they want to tell them your business, because I know the people on social media, to tell them your business, because them bad mind. They don't like to see people success. I saw it go on the media social, they don't want to see you are succeed. And when you have business, and them see say your business are going good, them do all kind of things to tear down your business, talk all kind of things. So anyway, the other day I thought to myself, let me show them a little bit, a tiny little bit, So me show them toy cake them when me a bake. I think of some coconut cake me did bake. I mean do coconut cake and all kind of cake, Yeah. So me bake some coconut cake and me show them toy. I show them two, I show them not much. So me say two myself, say me I start up a little business. But the business is up and going long time. But sometimes you have to just give them a little sneak peek. So then me have well if I something to say. But anyhow, me didn't really take no notice. But yesterday me na bake again and me na bake some red velvet cake. Me cake them, me deliver them to supermarket and a contract and a place me have them with them. So me bake cake them. And when we bake, especially when we bake red velvet, because red velvet, all natural things me put in it. Me get the fresh beetroot and all kind of things me put in it. So the people then love the cake, then get the cake, then come back and keep coming back for more. Yeah, so before me they start to film it, but me then get at the end of it now. Because the people them in that queue up outside, long line down the road. I wait for the cake them. As soon as the cake them come up, there be big industrial oven, we have whole oven in here and thing, I sure nothing more so. So as the cake them come out of the oven, we were so busy. Me never get to film all the cake them and things, yeah. Cause me didn't even get time. Yeah, we didn't get time to do that. So, luckily, one cake, we thought, let's leave one cake behind. So, one cake leave behind, and me take a picture, I fit and film the one cake. So now, listen good now. So, when we put up the thing now, here some of them come over here now, that's why I said the people that you can't tell them your success by the media social. Because they come over here. One come over here and say, do you ship to Jamaica? Laugh out loud. So she taking the big, the so in it. She take the piece. So me said to her, yes. Me name want to talk, but me have one shop down at Jamaica too. And a secret. So, me no want the people them bad mind me. So, then it look like the rest of them see it. So, some of them will laugh out and things. And then, what tap it over, one of them said, do you do special offer buy 6 and get 6 free? Me said, no, because we don't have time to do special offer because we keep them sell fast, yeah. So, we don't have time to offer nothing. Yeah, we don't offer nothing. Yeah, we barely we don't have hand to sell the cake them how fast the cake them sell. So me said, no, we don't do special offer around here. So this man me wake up and this is what me come to the conclusion now. Say me no want to tell them too much because me no want to be in a no cake war. Because me always hear say cake war and go on pan here. And me I wonder if I true no. Yeah, me never see no war, because me never know say cake can war. But me see, One little somebody come over here now say, make we see the box, the empty box them, pan the big pallet. Me I feel like ready for ship. Big ho, and run down. Yeah, I saw. And then, yeah, me no like them people here on social media because they want to tear down my business. Yeah, so that's why you know if you tell your business because then we tear down your business. So, me think to myself, me don't never show them anymore anyway because me don't need them to help me out with my business because me see say them are people here I tear down artists. Then just ready to tear down your business and yeah, then ready to tear down your business and talk all kind of thing and them don't know what say. Me not tell them no more because I whole heap of something me do around here but me not tell them no more my business because little cake me a bake and them bad mind me for the cake. They don't know. Them bad mind me for the cake, you know. Them bad mind me. Me don't know, me not show them nothing more because me have all the place me a supply. They say me not have hand to sell cake. Me not tell them no more. Anyway, I just that me they come to talk. Say bad mind people that on social media, upon the streets and the media, so you must be careful of your business. I want to tell the people them out there because then quick fit tear you down in here, especially when they know so your cake tastes better than for them. Yeah, so me no wine and no war, so me gone.